Yep.
Man, came in here this morning, got set up. Rick wanted to start with Pup Serenade, so we put that out, then put a lone howl, nothing. Waited a couple minutes, rolled into Pup Stress. First coyote came from the left. Dogs gave chase. Then another coyote came from the right, gave chase to that one. Coyote worked real soft, but ended up getting up here, and I about had a heart attack. Had two misfires, but we still ended up getting that coyote killed. So Rip's got him drug about halfway up here now. We're gonna go grab him. Set up in this fence row, looking out. You got some cows, and the rest of it's just hay ground, fence rows, and more cattle. Wind's blowing across to our right. Don't love that wind a lot, but we push a call out more than normal just to avoid having a coyote coming to work the wind for the call and getting us as well. I've said this a lot, but just because you're not getting vocal responses doesn't mean it's not a coyote. We played a couple howls that get a lot of responses. Nothing howled back. And we waited 3 minutes and rolled into Pup Stress, and within 3 minutes of that Pup Stress starting, the first coyote was here. And then we ended up switching sounds to a fight while the dogs were running that coyote, and the second coyote came in. First coyote wasn't in with the smoke too much. Second coyote didn't want all the smoke either, but he came back a couple times, and we got lucky enough to get a couple misfires out of the way and got him killed.